what's up, Ravina? I am welcoming you guys today from Prague. Welcome to Prague, the city of 100 spires. In this vlog, I'll take you through my magical 2 days in this historic city. From cozy breakfast to enchanting Christmas markets, get ready for everything to explore in the old and new Prague with me. We booked the cab well in advance through hotel and it was super convenient. This is our hotel. Where is it, baby? Let's quickly talk about our stay. It is a beautiful boutique hotel in Old Prague. The best part of choosing this hotel is the location. It is literally stone's throw away from city's historic landmarks. So if you're coming to Prague for the first time, I can recommend this hotel. The rooms are cozy, comfortable, and offer a blend of modern amenities with a touch of Prague's classic architecture. And I mean, most of the time we are planning to stay outside exploring Prague, so it's definitely a good choice. Small TV, basic bed, table, lamp, a wash basin, a nice mirror, window. We are going for breakfast now. Yeah! After a good night's rest, we started the day at Cafe Louvre, which is conveniently just across the road from our hotel. And this cafe, guys, isn't just a breakfast spot, it's a historical gem. Heading to Cafe Louvre for breakfast. Did you know that Franz Kafka and Albert Einstein were regulars in this cafe? Waiting in the line of Cafe Louvre. As you can see, it's very busy, and because it's very popular, it's very busy throughout the day. The atmosphere is so warm and inviting, and the breakfast, oh so delicious. Whether you are into fluffy omelets or sweet pastries, this place has something for everyone. Only thing which slightly disappointed me was the quantities in Cafe Louvre. And it also has billiards if you're interested in the game. From Cafe Louvre, we set off to explore the charming streets of Old Prague. I love the cobble roads, the architecture, everything about the city is so magical. Every corner in Prague tells a story, from Gothic architecture to cute little shops. This one. During the times of Christmas and New Year Eve, Prague does get busy as it has one of the best Christmas markets in all of Europe, and today in this vlog we will enjoy the same, so stay tuned. And if you are into candies, You are in heaven. Prague has so many candy shops, and oh my god, Asher went mad when he saw the shop. I had to literally run away. One thing we could not resist trying was Tarde Ink, a traditional chimney cake that you will find all over Prague. Can I have an ice cream vanilla chocolate? Watching it being made was half the fun, you know. The dough wrapped around a spit, roasted over an open flame, then dusted with sugar and cinnamon. We had ours filled with vanilla ice cream, and let me tell you, it is the perfect mix of crispy, warm, and sweet. Definitely a must try when you're here. After enjoying the third day Nick, we continued our stroll, and the best part of the stroll was reaching the Old Town Square Christmas market. This market is literally like stepping into a winter wonderland. We have reached the Old Town Square of Prague, and behind me you can see the Christmas market. The smell of mulled wine and roasted chestnuts fills the air, and the stalls are brimming with handmade gifts, ornaments, and delicious Czech treats. We spent hours soaking in this festive vibe. You know, there is something about the Christmas market. The happiness is in the air. You can breathe in that happiness as everyone is so happy, so positive. I think it's the best time of the year.
Let's walk a little bit.
It definitely gets busier in the Christmas markets. So be prepared, especially if you are coming in the months of December and January.
You're having fun, Asha?
Yes.
One thing I will highly recommend if you are in Prague for day one is to explore the city on foot. It's not a big city, and you can soak in the city, see where things are, and then you can plan your day too. And of course, carry comfortable shoes for that. No trip to Prague is complete without witnessing the iconic astronomical clock in the heart of the Old Town Square. Installed in 1410, it is the third oldest astronomical clock in the world and the oldest one still working. Just imagine, this clock has been mesmerizing people over 600 years. And rather strange fact is, one who created this clock was blinded by the government. In the evening, we started our journey at the Powder Tower, one of the Prague's most iconic landmarks. The iconic Powder Tower is one of the most famous Gothic landmarks here in Prague. This tower was built in 1475. I am so glad that Prague was untouched in World War II, and therefore we can witness such Gothic architectures. Do let me know in the comments which is your favorite part of Prague city. Walking through the beautifully lit streets, we made our way to the new town Christmas market. This market offers a more modern vibe, but it is just magical. We tried some traditional Czech snacks and marveled at the holiday lights. This walk beautifully captures the old meets new charm of Prague. That's it for today's vlog, guys. We are super tired now and heading back to the hotel. Next vlog is going to be even more exciting as we will be covering major parts of Prague, including Charles Bridge, Prague Castle and the famous medieval dinner of Prague. So stay tuned for the next vlog and thank you so much for watching this one. Bye.